like full body for your fursona, you don't have to start off with full body. You can start off with something simple. I'm just saying, you can just get the head down. And for a brush, I recommend using like a sketching brush so that, and find the thingy-mabobber. You want it so that you can change the opacity on it so that when you draw it, it kind of has that little darkness applied to it. What I like to start with is by drawing the eyes like this. You want to make sure it's even, and then when you're going at an angle, you make the eye a smaller shape, and that it follows your guideline. Because when you go to a shape, like say this cube, notice how a cube, one side looks smaller than the other. So using that knowledge, you can draw something like this. And for the maw, you want to connect it to the left eye, and then kind of make a box shape, and then connect it to the bottom right here. Then I personally like to draw a jawline and a triangle, or maybe two. And once I have this all set up, I like to draw one more sphere, so that way I can get the ears in. And for the ears, I just draw triangles, just the way I like them. I'm gonna be drawing my fursona Ashy, and I like to draw horns, so I'm gonna make it align with the head. So put them where I want them. I want another horn right here, so I like to draw a guideline for each one. And now I'm gonna go for the hair. The hair, you want to start where the hairline starts. So I like to put lines for where they're gonna go, like this. And then I'd like to get the neck like a light about here. Kind of like this. Just get a basic neck started in there. I'd recommend studying necks here if you want to like make your proportions right. Now I'm gonna make the face, so I'm gonna make him look a little slimy, so I'm gonna like cut off a little bit from the eyes, draw in our circle. You want to make them both circles the same size, because the eyes are the same size, you know. Do this, get him some eyebrows, give him a little smile. For fur, I like to curve it down towards the middle. You want to put it in bunches. You want to really group the fur. Then you go back to this. Go back to the ear. Now that I got this done, I want to double check it to make sure I like it. I want to get one ear on the other side, so We'll build another triangle on the other side. Alright. Add a little extra detail. Now I got this basic sketch done. I personally like to size it up a little to wherever I want. Turn down the opacity. Go to a second layer. Grab the brush I like. And then I draw over it again. I like to follow the face. Like this. Give this a little thingamabob right there. And then you just trace over all of it. Try to refine it if you can. Add in any extra details that you seem pleasing. I was drawing a Durkee, but for anything like cats and whatnot, you want to shorten the muzzle. Mine's a little bigger. You can add a nose right here, or any like canines. Mine's just fit to a Durg. See, that's where the problem is if you don't follow your guidelines. Boom. I like to add a little extra detail. Looks so silly. Boom. Boom. Looks so silly. A silly boy. Yeah. Give him a twofer, because I feel like it's cute. Just go around, just check in everything. Add any extra details you like. I like to refine everything once I'm done. And then you should have your basic sketch. The ridge, double check it, yep. And boom.